welcome to the introduction of Modelo 2.0. If you haven't watched the video on our revamped interface yet, feel free to check it out first as it may hold a lot of important information for you to be able to navigate our new interface. As usual, you can contact us through our email at hi@modelo.io or drop a comment below if you have any concerns, complaints, questions, or feedback. In Modelo 2.0, we bring you Vision, an AI-powered feature that enables you to improve workflow and efficiency, transform the visual style, test different design ideas, or simply revise the background. Just drop a reference photo in from your mood board and apply that inspiration into your space. So let's get started, shall we? To start off, you can find the access to this feature here at the bottom left of the bar, called Vision. Once you enter AI mode, you can still move your model around and find the right angle or perspective of the model that you want to capture. Once you're ready, go to the bottom left here and add style to add in a reference image or choose from our style template. A reference image can be any style reference photo that you found on Pinterest or that currently sits in your mood board. Or you can use one of our sample images just to try it out first. And I'm going to use this one for now. It is important to note that to create better images, you would be advised to choose photos that match the structure of your current model the most. And once you're ready with the reference image, you can immediately start generating. However, to optimize your results, you can add specific prompts here, either by freehand writing or choosing from the prompt thesaurus. You can adjust the parameters in the parameter settings here to choose between being more creative or original in the style. And let's say I want to go with original. And now I'm ready, so I'm going to start generating. The generated images will come in batches of 4s. For each of these photos, you can increase the resolution and download it as well into your local desktop. If you're not satisfied with what was generated, you can always just click Generate More to be able to get more photos that you might potentially like. If you do find something that you like, you can save this image into your photo album, which can be found here in My Visions photo album. And in order to be able to see all your previously generated AI photos, you can view generation history. Once you exit the AI mode, you can still view that generation history by going to your model assets here. And you can still see that image again and download it or compare it. Don't let your mood board just sit there. Realize your visions by using Modelo 2.0's Vision feature. Try it out. If at any point you're confused, angry, happy, or sad about our new changes, we welcome your feedback. The question mark at the bottom of the model page leads to this tutorial. And if you want to contact us, go to the Help and Resources button there. If those methods don't work for you, just drop a comment below or email us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're here to answer any questions or feedback you may have. And don't forget to check out the rest of our videos to learn more about our new functions. Your feedback will be crucial in shaping the future of Modelo, and we can't wait to hear from you. That's it for now for this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.